Have you ever highlighted data based on status manually in Excel? Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automate the entire process, and our goal is to change a drop down, and based on our drop down we will change the fill color of our data range. Let's get started. Select the range where you want your status. Click on data, click on data validation. From this drop down, select list. Now right here, approved, comma, not approved. Click OK. Select the range where you want your color code, leaving the title row empty. Click on home, click on conditional formatting, click on new rules. Select use formula to determine which cell to format, and our first status cell is cell D2, so I'm going to write in the formula box equal to $D2 equal to within double quotation approved, quotation close. Click on format, click on fill, and this is our approved color, and click OK. Click OK again. Now again, click on conditional formatting, new rules, use formula to determine which cell to format. Write in the formula box equal to $D2 equal to within double quotation write not approved. Click on format, and this is our not approved color, and click on OK. OK again. Now if you click on this status drop down and select not approved, the entire data range is marked as red, which is our not approved color. And if you click on approved, our data range is color coded in green. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon, Super Chat and Super Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.